/commands. The in-channel command surface, so different channels expose different command sets, but most of them follow a common pattern. Let me walk through the major ones. Telegram first, /pair. Generates a fresh pairing code from inside the chat. /activation followed by always or mention. Sets the activation mode. Always means the agent responds to every message. Mention means only when @mentioned or matched against a mention pattern. /config set followed by a key and a value. Per chat configuration override. Useful for tweaking behavior without leaving the chat. /config unset followed by a key. Removes a per chat override. You can also configure custom /commands at the channel level under custom commands. Each entry has a command name and a description. Names must be lowercase alphanumeric with underscores, 1 to 32 characters, and they must not collide with built-in commands. Few rules to follow there. Discord next. /vc followed by join, leave, or status. Manages voice channel participation. The bot joins or leaves a voice channel. Status reports the current state. /focus binds the agent to the current thread or channel for sustained attention. /unfocus releases the binding. /session followed by idle and a duration. Sets the idle reset for the current session. So you can override the session level idle timeout from the chat itself. No configuration edit needed. /session followed by max age and a duration. Sets the max age for the current session. /config followed by set or unset. Same as Telegram. Per chat configuration override. Discord also exposes a native /command catalog registered through the command configuration on the Slack app. The names line up with the Discord set. /new, /reset, /model, /help, and so on. Matrix supports /commands when prefixed with the user mention for the bot. So in a direct message, /commands work directly. In a room, you have to mention the bot, then put the /command after. iMessage and Signal do not really have native /command surfaces in the same way. You can configure mention patterns and behaviors, but the in-chat command syntax is more limited. Just how those platforms are built. A practical note, the native /command catalog has a per platform limit. Discord allows up to 100, Slack allows up to 25. So you cannot expose every possible command natively. Pick the ones your users will actually use. Be selective. Another practical note, permission gating. Some commands are owner only, like /exec. Some are configurable, like /config set. The default permissions for /commands are configurable per platform. Match them to who you want to expose each command to. In the last lesson of this module, we look at bundled plugin channels in detail. See you there.